We have Rick here for his showcase. So welcome, Rick.
All right, this is building me. All right, I've loved technology since I was 6 years old. I've always experimented with stuff. He knows. I took everything apart in the house. I built little robots out of like random junk I found. It was fun, pretty fun. At the age of 11, I started to get into computers really. This stuff. I got my first computer. It wasn't too good, but it was good for the time, you know. All right, what I'm up to now. You can see all those 3D printers. I spent about $300 on it. He helped me. He gave me a small loan of $70. And we're making a little factory because it's fun. We just sit down there and build random stuff. It's cool. So it's called Industry 4.0. Use 3D printers, IT knowledge, and some other stuff. And it's a big industry. It's growing. Time is of the essence. So when you all think of 3D printers, you think of really slow, right? Really slow. But there's actually a way to change that. So layer height, I'll show you actually. It's like the little lines go up and down, prints layer on layer. This actually took like an hour to print because I had an 8.8 millimeter nozzle. So I'll get into that too. So nozzle diameter. So usually the standard one is like 0.4, but I changed mine to all 0.8 because I print large prints. So this was made with a 0.4. See how it's like finer. It's for a printer in Mr. Hall's IT class. I never used it though. I haven't got to that yet. So in fill, you can see like the little patterns in here. That's what keeps your print strong. See, it's hard to break. I can probably break it with a force, but I'm not going to do that. Next slide. So in the future, I plan to get a college degree in engineering, and I don't know, get a job in that. I want to be an engineer, do some cool stuff. Maybe be an inventor, I don't know. I want to get some certifications under my belt, because that's always good to have certifications, because an engineer needs IT knowledge and programming knowledge. That all falls into IT. So that's a pen and mentor. Basically, you take plastic bottles and you extrude them out and make filament out of it. Now I plan to build that in the next month, and then have some free filament. That's it. It might be my next showcase. I don't know. But any questions?
What kind of engineering are you leaning to? Like mechanical, computer, electrical?
Mechanical. I love mechanical, robotics and stuff. I'm trying to get into that. Question?
What kind of filament do you use for your printers?
PLA. This is polylactic acid. It's the easiest to print with. It's a standard filament.
Where did you get yours from? Kind of hard to find.
Micro Center. I sourced it off this sketchy Chinese website. Yeah, and I get some expensive stuff from Amazon. It's my budget at the time. Yeah.
Your 3D printers, did you build them yourself or were they pre-built? So you put them all together? Or?
Yeah, they came in a box. They were mostly built, but you gotta put some screws in, like 20 screws or something, and then
all day long.
Yeah, and then plug in all the electrical components. It's pretty easy. Go back to it. So this one actually took me like about 2 hours to build. This one he built because I didn't know. He was just taking over, going ham. And then these, it took like 40 minutes to build like both of them. He actually gave me $70 for this one, and I bought these myself. Well, no, I got this for Christmas. But yeah, he's printing like some stuff. He printed a little model Bugatti and stuff because he likes cars. And yeah, that's my showcase. Any more questions?
I think I saw a question up there. Yeah.
What's the biggest thing you printed and how long did it take?
An Iron Man glove. It took like 3 hours with all the setting adjustments and stuff. I was gonna bring it in, but it wasn't finished. I didn't glue everything on. I'm actually selling it to my friend, but
Do you have a favorite CAD software that you use to make parts?
Tinkercad, you know why?
Why?
It's free.
Get
Yeah.
your check.
We got a
Yeah.
question over here too.
Yeah, what's like the highest level of functionality of something you printed, like something that like works?
Oh, so I didn't
I'm
bring
glad
it
this
in.
guy got excited. man.
Yeah, he did.
Okay.
It's actually called NASA fabric.
Okay.
You might want to look it up. It's like a bunch of interlocking pieces, and you can like fit it around like fabric and stuff. It's very
Really?
flexible. Yeah.
You got some right here.
Oh yeah, on the keychain. Yeah, for your birthday. That's yeah. I had a huge
What's it
sheet
called
of it.
again?
So it's called NASA fabric. NASA designed it. They're gonna use it for like space armor and stuff. I just wanted to print it as like a concept thing. It's pretty cool.
What other questions, feedbacks do we have for Rick? Oh, right up here for Rick.
Yeah, so how long have you been 3D printing that realm of
Since last Christmas.
do you have any like favorite things you printed or funny things perhaps?
The Iron Man glove. That's my favorite. The NASA fabric is up there. It's pretty fun to play with, but I'm thinking about printing a robot, so that'll be my next favorite. Any other questions?
Is that going to be your next showcase?
Possibly. It's either that or the pediment tour. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, Rick, thank you